KOHO in the US, friend or foe? Ever heard of a financial tool that lets you budget, earn cash back, and even pay bills? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, KOHO, a Canadian fintech company, is offering exactly that. But what if you live across the border in the US? Can you still take advantage of KOHO's features? This question plagues many budget-conscious Americans with Canadian connections. Fear not, fellow financially savvy friend, because today we're diving deep into the world of KOHO and its US applicability. Now, KOHO isn't your standard bank. It functions more like a prepaid card, but with a twist. You load it up with your own cash, so there's no overspending, and you can still enjoy the perks of a debit card. But the question remains, is this Canadian-born financial friend welcome south of the border? The plot thickens, MasterCard to the rescue. Here's where things get interesting. KOHO actually partners with MasterCard, a globally recognized payment network. This means, in theory, anywhere that accepts MasterCard should accept your KOHO card, including the US. Let's celebrate with a virtual high five because that opens a world of possibilities. Imagine seamlessly swiping your KOHO card at your favorite American stores or paying for that weekend getaway across the border. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? KOHO on American soil, a reality check. But hold on to your cowboy hats for just a second. While MasterCard acceptance is a huge plus, there might be a few situations where KOHO hits a snag in the US. Here's what you need to consider. Small, independent businesses, some smaller, independent shops might not be equipped to process prepaid cards. It's always best to check with the store before you get your heart set on that artisanal coffee mug. Car rentals and hotels, these establishments often require credit cards for security deposits. While KOHO might work for the actual payment, you might need a traditional credit card as backup for deposits. International transaction fees, this one can be a bit of a buzzkill. Using your KOHO card in the US might incur foreign transaction fees. These depend on your specific KOHO plan, so be sure to check the fine print before you swipe. KOHO in the US, the final verdict. So, can you use KOHO in the US? The answer is a resounding, mostly. MasterCard acceptance gives KOHO a massive thumbs up, making it a viable option for everyday purchases in the States. However, be mindful of those potential snags with smaller businesses and deposits. Making KOHO work for you in the US. Here are some tips to maximize your KOHO experience in the US. Plan ahead. For car rentals and hotels, consider having a backup credit card specifically for deposits. KOHO plan perks. KOHO offers paid plans with waived foreign transaction fees. If you frequently travel between the US and Canada, this could be a game changer. Embrace the app. KOHO's app lets you track your spending and manage your finances on the go. This is especially useful when navigating unfamiliar territory like using your card in a different country. KOHO, a budget-friendly US companion. Overall, KOHO can be a valuable tool for budget-conscious Americans with Canadian connections. Just be mindful of those potential limitations and plan accordingly. With a little strategizing, KOHO can become your financial partner in crime, helping you manage your money and snag some sweet cashback deals, even south of the border. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.